How to use shaping in dog training for complex behaviors. Are you curious about how to teach your dog complex behaviors in a fun and effective way? Shaping is a fantastic method that can help you achieve just that. It involves breaking down a complex behavior into small, manageable steps and rewarding your dog for each step they take toward the final goal. This technique relies on positive reinforcement, which means you will reward your dog for any action that gets them closer to what you want. To start using shaping, first, define the final behavior clearly. Decide exactly what you want your dog to do. This clarity will help you plan the small steps needed to reach that goal. For example, if you want your dog to turn off a light switch, you might break it down into steps like looking at the switch, moving toward it, touching it with a paw, and finally pushing it down. Next, break the behavior into small steps. Each step should be simple and achievable. When your dog performs any of these small steps, reward them immediately with treats, praise, or a clicker. This immediate reinforcement encourages your dog to repeat that action. As your dog becomes more reliable with the first step, gradually increase the criteria for rewards. Only reward them for closer approximations to the final behavior. This gradual increase helps your dog refine their actions until they can perform the full behavior. Patience is key in shaping. You will need to be observant and recognize tiny improvements. Progress may be slow at first, but that is part of the learning process. Use a marker signal, like a clicker or a specific word, to pinpoint the exact moment your dog performs the desired step. This clarity helps them understand what action earned the reward. Avoid physically guiding or luring your dog. Shaping relies on their voluntary actions, which promotes creativity and confidence. This method is especially useful for teaching multi-step tasks, such as agility sequences or service dog tasks, because it breaks down complexity into manageable parts. Shaping can also build confidence in shy or fearful dogs. By rewarding small, positive actions in a low-pressure way, you encourage them to engage and offer behaviors voluntarily. If your dog struggles or forgets a step, simply return to an earlier step in the shaping sequence and reinforce it again before moving forward. Practical applications of shaping include teaching your dog to fetch specific items, perform service tasks like opening doors, or learn advanced obedience commands. This method not only makes teaching complex behaviors more systematic but also creates a positive training environment where your dog is motivated to learn through success and rewards. With shaping, you can enjoy the process of training while watching your dog thrive.